This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best macaroni salad. First, select a good quality elbow macaroni for that classic texture. Cook your pasta al dente according to package directions, then immediately rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This crucial step stops the cooking process and prevents your salad from becoming mushy. Make sure the pasta is completely drained and cooled before moving on to the next step, as excess water can dilute your dressing. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tang. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of paprika for a subtle warmth. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. With our pasta cooled and dressing ready, it's time for the delicious mix-ins. Finely dice about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful crunch and a bit of sharpness. For extra color and a fresh bite, chop and add 1/2 cup of your favorite bell peppers. Don't forget 2 perfectly hard-boiled eggs, chopped, which contribute a lovely richness and classic macaroni salad texture. Gently fold these ingredients into your prepared pasta. Now for the grand finale, pour your creamy dressing over the cooled pasta and mix-ins. Gently fold everything together until every piece of macaroni is beautifully coated. Avoid overmixing to keep the pasta intact. For the absolute best flavor, cover your macaroni salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Before serving, give it a quick stir and adjust seasoning if needed. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.